Hi everyone, today I'll show you the easiest way how to disable FPS limit in Roblox without third-party programs. So to start, right-click on the Roblox icon and click in the menu that appears Open File Location. Right here, click. Now it's important to enable the display of file extensions in Explorer itself. To do this, enable the View tab. And now find the checkbox File Name Extensions right here and enable it. After that, create a folder and name it Client Settings. Good. Go to the Client Settings folder and create right here new text document. Now name the text document Client App Settings. After that, open the text document. Now go to the description of my video and copy this text and paste it into the text file. Good. Now click File and Save. Nice. You can close this file. Right-click on the text file and select Change Name. Now just change the .txt extension to .json. And the name itself should still be ClientAppSettings. Okay. Enter, and yes. And as you can see, my FPS is above 60, everything is super. But guys, with each update of the game, all files Roblox rewritten in the folder with the game. So this file will need to be added again, I warn you. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thank you very much, bye!